are going to see a few useful questions from lines, angles, and shapes. The first question, in which in the following diagram, MN and PQ are straight lines. Find the size of angle A. So we don't know the angle A here. So we have to find out this angle now. And the measurement of this angle is given. And angle QOR is given here. That is angle QOR. And this angle is mentioned here. So to find out the angle A, we need to find out angle NOQ. That is angle NOQ, this angle. So we have to find out the angle NOQ. That is, I'm marking in the red color. So to find out that, in the case of the given values, that is NOQ can be written as ROQ. This bigger angle, from this bigger angle, if you subtract this 37 degree, you will get this the remaining angle. So what I am doing is, from the bigger angle, that is from this angle, I am subtracting this angle now. So we will get the answer of this angle. That is NOQ. So 85 minus 37 is 48 degree. We get this angle as 48 degree. And we know that the vertically opposite angles are equal. So 48 degree is just vertical to angle A. So you can directly say that angle A is 48 degree, and hence you got the answer. Go to the next question. Calculate the value of x. See, these are all straight lines intersecting at the point O. You can see the angle BOD is 112 degree, angle AOE is 27 degree. So they are asking us to find the angle x. The angle x is here, this angle. So to find that angle, first we need to find out the angle EOD, that is this angle measurement. We know that the sum of the angles of a straight line is 180 degrees. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the straight line AB. I'm going to take the straight line AB now. So for this straight line AB, we have all the angles except angle EOD. So that's why I'm going to find out angle EOD with the straight line property. That is, for a straight line we have totally 180 degrees. With that, we can find out this unknown angle now. That is EOD. If we get the angle EOD, we can get the answer. So angle AOE plus EOD plus DOB is 180 degree. That is the property of a straight line. And EOD is the only angle we don't know, and we have the values of other angles. So we take all the known values to the right side, it gets subtracted, you get 41 degree. Angle EOD is finally 41 degree, and EOD is the angle which is vertically opposite to x. And we know that when two lines intersect each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. So if EOD is 41 degree, then angle x is also 41 degree. We got the answer. Go to the next question. Calculate the value of x and hence find the size of the marked angles. So we have to calculate the value of x and then find out the measurement of the angles. So we take the triangle ABC now. It is given x and 2x. We can see that the two lines marked on the sides, both sides, two sides of the triangle. It shows that these two lines shows that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. This triangle is an isosceles triangle. So for the isosceles triangle, the two angles are equal of the two sides. If this is 2x, so this is also going to be 2x. This angle is also 2x. So I can write x plus 2x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. It comes under the sum of the angles sum property. So sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. I add all these x values because of like terms. So we get 5x equal to 180 degree, and when I shift this 5 to the other side, it becomes division. So 180 by 5 is 36 degree. So the unknown angles are, so x is 36, and when you multiply by 2 you get 72. So these are the two angles. Next question B. You have to find the value of x here. The same method. I can write x plus 2x is equal to 4x minus 40 degree, because we know the property that sum of the two interior angles of a triangle. So for the triangle, these x and 2x are the interior angles, that is equal to the exterior opposite angle. So these two angles, when you add together, that will be equal to the exterior opposite angle for this angle. So I can add this, that is x plus 2x. I am adding these two interior angles and saying that is equal to 4x minus 40. So I take the like terms, all the x terms to one side, you get 4x minus 3x, that is x is equal to 40 degree. So I got the angle of x, which is the unknown angle. When x is 40, so 2x is going to be 80, and this the external, that is the exterior opposite angle, when you calculate, gives 120 degree. So you got the answer. You got the next question. Calculate the size of the marked angles. So we have to find the angle x now. So to find x, what we have to do, we have to find the angles A and angle C and angle B. We have to find A, B, C, because angle D is already given. How to find angle A? We know that the angle of a straight line is 180 degree. So 180 minus 7, because 17 is given there, we subtract, we get 101 degree. We get angle, this is 101 degree. So 180 minus 79 is 101 degree. And now we find angle C, that is 180 minus 90, because already we have 90 degree. This is for a straight line, we have the total angle 180 degree. So we subtract here, that is subtract, that is 180 minus 90. So we get 90 degree. To find the angle B, we add all these angles. So for a quadrilateral, we have all the four sides is equal to, when you add, you get it is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we add all these angles together, we get 249. We shift this angle to the right side, becomes minus. We finally get the angle B is equal to 111 degree, and we know that this is a straight line. Okay, this AB, the line AB is a straight line, so we get one of the angle, one part of the angle is 111, so we can subtract by 180 degree. So finally we get the angle x is equal to 69 degree. That's all. We go to the next question. So we are asked to find out x here. To find x, we take the triangle OAB, this triangle. O, you mark this diagonals, where the two diagonals intersect, we mark it as O, and we take the triangle OAB. You can see that triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle, because for a rectangle we have the property the diagonals bisect each other, and so you can say that triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle, and so angle A and angle B are going to be equal. So angle A is equal to angle B. And here x is an exterior angle of the triangle. We can say that the sum of two interior angles, this is A and B, that will be equal to exterior opposite angle. So I can say that angle X is 64 degree. Next. For a regular hexagon, they are asking us to find out one exterior angle. So you have to find out the measurement of one exterior angle. We know that the regular hexagon has 6 equal angles. and the sum of the exterior angle is always 360 degree. The formula to find one exterior angle is 360 degree divided by n, where n is the number of sides. Because the regular hexagon has 6 sides, we can write 360 divided by 6 is equal to 60 degree. Next question is we have to find the sum of the interior angles. Sum of the interior angles is the formula I is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is equal to number of sides is 6 for the hexagon, and it varies according to the given polygon. So here the polygon is hexagon and it has 6 sides, so we take n is equal to 6. And substitute here, we have 6 minus 2 is 4, and 4 into 180 is 720. So the sum of the interior angle is 720